Charge your GoPro.
There you go.
Hello!
100%.
Oh, I'm running.
Got about an hour till sundown.
Got fun.
Yeah, and we've still got to find somewhere to pitch up,
And we're
get everything set up before it's pitch black.
being followed by midges or whatever they are.
No, it's fine, it's fine. It's all good. There you are, nice up here. Yeah, you get a few of those, dude. You get a few of those. Whew. I think it's okay, isn't it? Yeah?
That's pretty decent. Snapped and clean. Yeah. I'm soft this tool before.
Yeah.
Here.
Good morning, Mr. Cushion.
Good morning, how are you?
Little Cush.
Hello.
Hello. You sleep okay?
Yes, that's okay.
You look very snug.
Thank you. I'm just gonna hide now. Yeah, it's really cozy in here. At last I found a comfortable position.
Oh yeah, you were rotating around enough last night. Cool. Oh.
Yeah, it is. I'm just recording you right now.
That's fine. Well, that's what you're doing. You're going, I'm busy packing everything up. And you're going, yeah, hashtag hard, hashtag worn out, you know, really busy. Sorry, Dad, can't help you. I'm just telling people how hard it is clearing up the camp.
It's just fun. I'm glad my dad is working. Oh, dear.
You okay?
You're fine.
Hello.